Peep the technique.
GGV2 seamlessly integrates with MIDI controllers for enhanced control. To access the MIDI panel, click on MIDI in the top menu. Here, you'll find a list of available MIDI devices. You can hot connect a MIDI device by clicking the refresh button. You can also set the root note of your MIDI keyboard. Now, let's link MIDI controls to your software. Sources are linked to MIDI notes. Use your MIDI keyboard or your computer keyboard to trigger them. To link a slider to a MIDI controller, right-click on the slider and choose Link to Controller. A pop-up will appear. Simply move the corresponding slider on your MIDI controller to establish the link. To unlink a slider, right-click on it and select Unlink. You can also link assignable buttons in the same way as sliders. Right-click on the button and choose Link to Controller. That's it for MIDI control in GGV2.